Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Wahala Boy channel. And I am the Wahala Boy, like you already know. It's been a very long time I've been on this channel, and today I'm back again. Yay! Yes, I'm back. Life has taken its own toll on me, and I've been away, trying to navigate life and the rest. But we thank God, we are here again. Okay, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, you guys will believe me that streaming is now the new oil money, especially here in Nigeria. And a lot of people have been, trying to know how they can get into, live streaming, maybe their video games or any different part. But today, I'm talking about how to stream your video game to TikTok or maybe any other platform. But basically, I'll be focusing on TikTok. Okay. Now, you don't need expensive gears like you've been seeing on the researches. Me myself, I've done a lot of researches and I've come up with the cheapest way to get into live streaming. Now, first of all, talking about the camera is one of the most expensive things that is involved in live streaming, because you want people to see you clearly, you want people to have a clear visual and the rest. But you and I know that a lot of us, because of the way the economy is here in Nigeria, it's quite difficult to, just bring out that chunk of money right now and say you're going to get an expensive camera. So that is where your phone comes in. Okay, you can use your phone as a webcam and for your live streaming. And you and I know that most of our phones shoot at least 1080p. Like a lot of us, most of our phones shoot at least 1080p. So you can have use your camera as your webcam. And I'm going to tell you how to do that. It just in a short form, okay? And it's done wirelessly. Actually, I'm recording this video using my phone camera. Actually, I'm using my phone camera right now to record this video, okay? Now, how it's being done is this. You have an app called Irion. I don't know how to pronounce that. That name is confusing. It's spelled Iriun. You just go to Google and type Iriun. You download it on your phone. You download it on your laptop, the laptop you're going to be using for the live stream, because definitely you need a laptop, okay? It's not something you do via your phone. Although there's a way to do via your phone, but it's kind of complicated. So we don't want to go into that right now. Now, the next thing you need is your console. So I'm assuming that you already have a console, or you can actually get a console, either a PS4 or a PS5, recommended, because the PS3 and the others are no longer supported, except you want to go into retro gaming and you want to use retro gaming as your content. Then those ones can come in. Okay, those ones can come in. And then the next thing you need again is your HDMI capture card. Now, what the capture card does for you is this. It takes the output of your console and brings it in via USB cable to your laptop. Sometimes some people believe that the HDMI port on their laptop is for sending in. No, it's not for sending in signal. It only sends out signal. So the only way to bring in your console is through that capture card. And the kind of capture card you need to buy, I'm going to put a picture up here, because there are some capture cards that is just a one way out, and there's no way to have your output or monitor what you're streaming. Okay, so now what the capture card does for you is the kind of capture card I'm going to recommend for you. I'll be putting the picture up. We'll have two outputs. We'll have one output, that is the output that goes to your monitor, and then the USB comes to your system, to your laptop or your desktop computer, anyone you want to use. Okay, I'll still be talking about the recommendations later in the video. Okay, now the capture card takes the visuals or the output from your console to your laptop, bringing it into the streaming software you're going to be using. Okay, brings it in as a source into what you're going to be using to stream, the software you're going to be using to stream either TikTok or maybe through OBS, or maybe you want to start with Twitch. But usually I recommend people, if you want to start out your streaming, I think you should start out should start out with TikTok first before you can go to Twitch. Do all your shenanigans on the TikTok side, then you can start involving Twitch. Okay. Now you need good light, an okay lighting at least, so that people can see your face very well, and they can see who they are interacting with. A good lighting is okay. And then you'll be needing a microphone also. A USB mic, you can start with a USB microphone because you can connect that USB microphone direct to your laptop. But if you have maybe a little bit of extra money, you can get a sound card. There are streaming sound cards that you can get that are very cheap, like the V9 sound card. You can get the V9 sound card. You can get the F998 sound card. Why I'm talking about these two is because I use both of them. I'm actually recording right now on the F998 sound card. I'm using the F998 card connected to my laptop. My phone wirelessly connected to my laptop as my camera also. Okay, and then I have my lightings here. Okay, I have my lightings here. I wish I could show them, but I don't have those other gears. That's just to show you what you can do on a cheap budget. Yes, it has limitations, but does it do the job? Quite alright, it does the job. Okay, now on to the next one. You'll be needing a laptop. Now, minimum specifications of the laptop you need that should handle this software comfortably. A minimum specification: a laptop with at least 8 gigs of RAM. Okay, at least 8 gigs of RAM, and a Core i5 from 8th generation upwards. Core i5 8th gen upwards. Core i5, Core i7 8th generation upwards. I didn't say Core i3. Core i5, Core i7 8th generation upwards. Okay, so those are the things you need actually. So maybe in another video I would be showing probably how the connection goes, how to do certain things. But by now, maybe after this video, if this video inspires you to get into streaming and you want to get more insights about it, please put it in the comment section. I can do a follow-up video with your questions on how everything goes. I can also I will think of a way to make a video where I show the difference, how to connect everything and how to set it on the software. Okay, now let's go to the software. You can either, like I said, I will be talking more better maybe using the TikTok. Okay, you can download the TikTok streaming app on your system, as long as you have up to 1,000 followers. Okay, as long as you have up to 1,000 followers, that is when you can go live. That's when you can go live on TikTok. Okay, and even if you don't have up to 1,000 followers, trust me, there's a little secret on how to just boost your followers to 1,000 so that you can go. Okay, I didn't say anything, no, but if you are interested in that information, tell me in the comment section. Just tell me just tell me in the comment section, okay, so that we can have that heart-to-heart talk. Okay, and then I'll show you what to do. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you love this video, if this video has touched you in any way, please subscribe to this channel and support us with your likes, with your shares, with your comments, and we'll take it up from there. The way you guys are going to comment and view this video is what is also going to encourage me to make the next video. Okay, so with that being said, thank you so much. I'm still the Wahala Boy. I'll see you next time.